Hello, and welcome to M1. Today, we'll go over how to edit your pie. We know that long-term investing strategies sometimes require tweaks along the road. That's why we made it simple to edit your pie whenever you'd like. Select Manage Pie on the Invest tab, then select Edit Pie. If you would like to remove a slice, select the one you have in mind, then select Remove. You'll get a prompt about this possibly creating a taxable event. Once your slice is removed, you'll have to adjust the rest of your slices to reach 100%. If you'd like to add a slice, simply select Add Slice, search for the stocks, ETFs, or expert pies you'd like to add. Once you have your selection, select Done. Finally, you'll need to adjust your slices so their allocations equal 100%. Select Done and voila! You've adjusted your pie.